Meet Scott. Scott is a veteran and active member of his church, and he likes to work out. And this is Scott's trusted dog, Rambo. Rambo's not just any dog, he's a service dog. Rambo goes everywhere with Scott. He can pick up objects that Scott drops, open doors, and alert others if he falls.
Alert! Alert!
Rambo had to go through a lot of training before he was matched with Scott, and once they were matched, they had to go through even more training. Together, they navigate daily life with success, but they can face challenges. People may not understand why Scott needs a service animal, especially when he's being physically active. He always makes sure that Rambo wears his vest to signal that he's working. Despite his intimidating name, Rambo is happy and approachable, but that can cause problems when he's working. He must remain focused so he can do his job. Rambo is also very patient. When he and Scott are out and he doesn't need to perform a task, he'll wait quietly until he's called to perform a task. Each day is an adventure for this duo. Thanks to their partnership, they are able to live life fully and independently.